Dear students, good day. I welcome you all for the social science session. I hope you all are fine and fit at your homes. Let us start our session with Civics Unit 1, how the state government works. In this session, we are going to learn about state executive, powers and functions of the governor, powers and functions of the chief minister, legislative assembly and council, and state judiciary. What is government? A government is a group of people that have the power to rule in a territory according to the administrative law. This territory may be a country, a state or province with a country or a region. The ruling authority of a community that has the power to make laws in order to secure people and the country. But all the people could not take a part in the government. So we elect the representative. Sets of government. There are two sets of government, namely the central government and the state government. State government. The government which run its own state administration to make law is called state government. The state government has three branches, that is executive, legislature and judiciary. Executive which passes the law, legislature which makes the law, judiciary which interprets the law. For example, in school, the teacher works as per the order of the principal. Here, the teacher acts as the executive, the principal as the legislature. The person in the state executive are the governor, the chief minister, and the council of ministers. The state legislature includes legislative council and legislative assembly. State judiciary includes high court. The state executive. The governor is the head of the state. The governor is appointed by the president in term of 5 years. Qualification. To be eligible for the post of the governor, a person must be a citizen of India and above the age of 35 years. The governor acts as an agent between the central and the state government. The governor must not be a member of parliament or member of legislative assembly. The governor must not hold any office of profit. Powers and functions of the governor. The governor is a chief executive in a state. The governor appoints a chief minister. According to Article 356, the president imposes emergency in a state based on governor report. The governor approves or veto the bill. Veto means rejection. The governor recommends the annual budget passed the legislature. Chief Minister. The other important person is Chief Minister. The leader of the majority party is appointed as Chief Minister by the Governor. He is the head of the State Council of Ministers. Powers and functions of Chief Minister. The Chief Minister plays an important role in the formation of the Council of Ministers. On the advice of the Chief Minister, the Governor appoints the other ministers. The retirement of the Chief Minister includes the retirement of the whole Council of Ministers in the state. The Chief Minister plays an important role in making policies on the state government. The Chief Minister supervises the activities of different ministers and advises them accordingly. The legislature. In India, the state legislature consists of the governor and one or two houses. The upper house is called the Legislative Council, while the lower house is called the Legislative Assembly. The states with the upper house and the lower house is called bicameral legislature, whereas the states with lower house alone is called unicameral legislature. At present, there are 7 states with bicameral legislature. All highlighted states have bicameral legislature. Difference between the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council. Meaning, the Vedhan Sabha is a lower house in the state legislature which represents the people of the state. The Vedhan Parishad is the upper house of the state legislature whose members are partly selected and partly nominated. Election. In the Legislative Assembly, direct elections are conducted, which means people directly vote and select their representative. In the Legislative Council, indirect elections are conducted, which means the MLA and MP will select and elect their representative. Nature. The nature of the Legislative Assembly is temporary body, that is, it is dissolved in 5 years. The nature of the Legislative Council is permanent body, that is, it not dissolved. Members. In the Legislative Assembly, the maximum strength is 500 and minimum strength is 60 members. In Legislative Council, the maximum strength cannot be more than 1/3 of the people and not less than 40 members. Minimum age. In Legislative Assembly, the minimum age of the people is 35 years. In Legislative Council, the minimum age of the people is 30 years. Presiding Officer. The presiding officer of the Legislative Assembly is the Speaker. The presiding officer of the Legislative Council is a Chairman. Composition of Legislative Council. 1/3 is selected by the members of Legislative Assembly, 1/3 by the members of local bodies like district panchayat and municipalities, 1/12 by the teachers, 1/12 by the graduates, and 1/6 by the members of the state council. Legislative Council are nominated by the governor of the state. Elections to the Assembly. The candidate is that person who contests for the election and asks people to vote for him. One person can stand for election in more than one constituency. Even if a person does not belong to any political party, he can contest election. Such candidate is called an independent candidate. In this picture, star indicates one party, plus indicates another party, and question mark does not belong to any group. That person is called independent candidate. The working of the state government. A proposal or idea is called the bill. The bill is introduced in Legislative Assembly. The bill is debated and discussed here and then introduced in Legislative Council, where it goes through the same procedure. Within 14 days, the bill is sent back to the Legislative Assembly. The bill is then passed to the governor. The governor approves the bill, becomes the law. The withdrawn bill, it is rejected. The judiciary. High Court. High Court is the highest court in the state. Each High Court has a jurisdiction, which means laws and order. It deals with cases such as fundamental rights, election petitions, and other civil as well as criminal cases. It consists of Chief Justice and other judges. Qualification of a judge. A judge must be a citizen of India. He must have the practice of at least 10 years as a judge or must have the practice of 10 years as a lawyer. The retirement of the judge is 62 years. The removal process of the judge is called impeachment, which is authorized by the president. A judge cannot practice in any court session after retirement. Functions of High Court. The High Court can hear appeals from lower courts. The High Court can issue the writs to restore fundamental rights. It can deal with the cases within the jurisdiction of state. The High Court exercises superintendence and control over courts below it. In this session, we learnt about state executive, powers and functions of the governor, powers and functions of the chief minister, legislative assembly and council, and state judiciary. Thank you.